चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Meanwhile, we're now getting in another big breaking news. Republic has accessed exclusive visuals of terrorists that have been gunned down in the Uri operations. This is the day 3 of Uri operations by the security forces, and the slain terrorist has been identified as a resident of Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. The body of one terrorist has been recovered, and those are the visuals of the slain terrorist on your screens, viewers. The terrorist came from Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, and the terrorist has been identified as Rafiq Paswal. He was a resident of Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. Uri Operation Bajrang has been continuing for the third day now. 2 terrorists were killed and 1 body has been recovered, and that's the visual of the slain terrorist Rafiq Paswan on your screens. I will be joined by my colleague Zeenat to give us more details into the operations that are underway in Uri. Viewers, let's tell you that our forces have been carrying out search and cordon operations to nab the trapped terrorists in the area. 2 have already been neutralized and 1 body recovered, but more still continue to hide. And in fact, Zeenat has now joined us live to give us more details. Zeenat, a very good afternoon to you. We have accessed the visuals of the slain terrorists who belong to Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. Are you able to gather any information as to which terror organization did this terrorist belong to?
I think as far as the terrorist is concerned, we are picking from the sources that the terrorist comes from the Lashkar-e-Toiba, but he is a resident of Pakistan. That is what I am picking, and the operation has come to an end. What the recoveries that have been made in this operation also includes the AK-47 Chinese pistols, and also we are seeing the bigger takeaway from this point is from the news story that he is a Pakistani terrorist who has been identified. Also, he has been named as Rafiq Paswal, a resident of Bagh, which is an area in the Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. And this operation has been taking place for the last 2 days, and there were the inputs about the movement of the terrorists in this Gwalan sector in Uri, where the terrorists had been making a movement, but the alert forces, the army who has been dealing with the line of control in particular, they have been observing a suspicious movement. The casso, the ambush, everything was put in place. The surveillances was being done through the aerial monitoring was being done. The dog squad was activated, and finally yesterday evening they were able to recover just 1 dead body. And finally we are seeing that the operation in Uri, which is near the line of control in Baramulla district in North Kashmir, has come to an end. We are seeing the identity card that tells you that this terrorist comes from Pakistan have also been recovered. We are seeing the dry fruits that usually gives them energy to be in the jungles or be in the any area for a longer period of time. Those dry fruits have been recovered. We are seeing the Chinese pistols, grenades, 1 AK-47, 2 have been recovered. And also in this all operation, now only the 1 dead body of the terrorists have been recovered. This is not the first operation at the line of control. Earlier in Kupwara also.